I think it bodes well for how we position ourselves going forward for the next few tournaments on the international scene. We have the Senior Pan Am Championships in August in Rio de Janeiro, and then we have Senior Caribbean Championships here in Jamaica in November. So I think that the next 3 months are going to be really telling for the association. We have a rebranding effort that we're underway right now. We are currently redesigning our logo, and it looks really good, and we're very excited to publish that one. And I want, especially for I don't want to say too much, but for the logo, we wanted to have something that represented Jamaica.
Right.
And so that's in store. So we're very excited about that. And then we have the Junior Casa Championships in Cayman, which is in early July. So we're looking forward to that. That's why we have this Junior Casa now, to try and see where the kids are at, and so we can develop a team going forward. And then we have Senior Pan Am Championships, which are August 21st to the 27th in Rio de Janeiro. And in order to make the team or to be able to represent at the CAC Games, so which squash is just coming back in, you have to play the Senior Pan Am Championships. So we have to send a team to that in order to be considered for CAC Games. So that's August 21st to the 27th. And we're really looking forward to trying to send a team to that event. And it's going to be a glass court that overlooks Sugarloaf Mountain.
Wow.
So it's going to be spectacular. And then finally, we have Senior Caribbean Championships, which are going to be here in Jamaica, August 23rd to the 28th.
And we're hoping to avenge against Guyana, right?
Yeah.
Because that was very close.
Listen,
Literally
that
close.
was heartbreaking
Right.
close. So we're looking to try and avenge some. And then I think if we can get everybody playing and coming out, then we have a really good chance to avenge and to win. That title, always you want to win at home. And so we're trying to get everybody to be able to come out and represent Jamaica at that tournament. So we have a lot on the calendar. We're looking forward to it. I think we have some work to do to help make it happen. But I think this is a perfect platform for that.